Walking outside tonight, I used to sleeping. Walking outside this now. I have my senior brothers in the middle tonight, and that big water is for us. I'll give you one. We're shaking Niger. What? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is about to go down. Are you sleeping? I'm walking outside inside this loud tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, one thing. We're shaking Niger. Are you sleeping tonight? Thank God it's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. We're walking outside this loud. One thing. I greet the senior brothers them in the building tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we're walking outside inside this loud tonight. I'll give you one. I got senior brothers in the building tonight. Nobody's Friday on the go. We're shaking Niger. Are you sleeping tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, I got this in the I know we see my brothers and in the middle to my ladies and gentlemen. I just live watching. What's your big guy talking about? Are you sleeping?